In this video, I want to talk about how you can fix the canonical issue inside of Shopify. Now keep in mind, if you get this error or this message, usually it doesn't really matter, so don't worry too much about it. But if you really find something wrong or you really want to fix it, the easiest way to do this is to download an app on the Shopify store. So go to Shopify, click Add Shopify Store down here, and this will open up the store. From in here, what I suggest you to do is search for Canonical tag or SEO apps. Now, inside of here, you should download the MIT Canonical URLs or Smart SEO. So let's just search for it right here. Once you search for it, you should find one right here. And what this does is easily edit canonical tags and prioritize URLs for indexing. So once you've downloaded this and you play around with that one, you should be able to fix it. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.